This Timothy Toye and Associates property video is presented by Michael Fern. Country living and privacy abounds in this lovely newly remodeled 3-bedroom, 2-bath home in Upper Lake on nearly half-acre level land. Spacious and open floor plan features a huge modern kitchen with beautiful white cabinets and lots of countertop space. Kitchen island is perfect for cooking and can double as a breakfast bar. New modern kitchen lighting accentuates the space. Master bedroom is spacious and features a new master bath with glass shower. 2 other spacious bedrooms and second bathroom with tub/shower combination. Home has central heating plus secondary economical heat source for the huge living room area. Metal roof is maintenance free and will last years to come. Home has double pane windows, new laminate flooring, and an enclosed porch for relaxing, entertaining and dining. Laundry room features terracotta floor tiles. Detached garage is fully remodeled and can double as a workshop. Room on the property for numerous car parking. Space next the house is perfect for RV parking and can be hooked up to sewer. Owner will carry with $80,000 down, 6% interest for 3 years.